In this video tutorial, I will share with you how to log in Beobank online. So if you want to log in, follow these steps on this video. You to Google search for Beobank. This is the keyword. When you click on this keyword, guys, click the first website here. After that, you will see this page. From here, click if you want to log in by your device here, click Beobank online in this option, as you can see here. After that, you will see this page, your login page. From this login page, enter your details such your username ID. For example, this is my username ID, and then write your password. Do a strong password. So guys, this is how you can do. Write your good and strong password. If you forget ID, just click this option, forget ID. This method on your mobile and your laptop and tablet, the same thing, guys. If you want to get your ID again, click your username and birthday date and zip codes. Fill all this information here. After that, click next. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video.